It's great to be here on the first day of our business-to-business workshops in Amsterdam and Brussels. We're joined by 20 partners from the island of Ireland, ranging from hotels, visitor attractions, distilleries and many more. Around 400 commercial meetings will take place over the course of these 2 days, and it's a really important opportunity to showcase our wealth of tourism offering on the island of Ireland to our valued partners here in the Netherlands and Belgium.
This has been an absolutely wonderful opportunity to come back to Amsterdam and to network and to meet with over 20 of the Dutch operators. It's a great time as there's a lot of investment in dairy, and to update them on all things new in the city and region.
Delighted to be here today in Amsterdam, meeting many of our Dutch suppliers and representing the 50 hotels in the original Irish Hotels collection. It's great to get in front of them, to hear their thoughts and interests in Ireland and their growth in the Irish market as a whole.